Hey guys, Pancake Flip here. Doing another video tonight. Yep, I've been really bored tonight, so just did another video. Today we're gonna be playing Learn to Fly. If I do make this series, it's probably gonna be a short series. I guess I'll watch this just for anybody who doesn't really know what Learn to Fly is, just so I can kind of explain what it is as well. So Learn to Fly is kind of like, well, it's literally in the name, Learn to Fly. You are a penguin and you're trying to learn to fly. And you're trying to get to the moon. And these stupid penguins think you have to fly to the side of Earth to get to it. And then one penguin figures out, oh yeah, you have to fly up. Let's try flying up. And then, the penguin that figured that out presents it to his, teacher, I guess. And the teacher, starts experimenting a bunch. Yeah, this guy. See, look. This guy starts experimenting a bunch. So yeah, see, the little student here. See, he's the one who figured out, hey, we should go up. And then he's just like, whoa. And then knocks down the doors. And that's it. Give me that launcher. No data, don't care. It is currently, what time is it? Currently 11. It's been so long since I played this game. It's insane. Whee! I fly! It's insane how long since I played this game. Number 3, I think, is my personal favorite. Maybe I'll do number 2. Number 1's kind of boring because it auto picks for you, while number 2 and 3 it doesn't. You can choose stuff like what you want. On a stage, yes, I will get a firework. I mean, not a firework, a balloon. And launch. Wait, how do I launch that? Wait. Ah, you press the up arrow. That makes sense. I think this game, all you really need is your mouse and the arrows. Is there anything better I can get? Yes, I can get fireworks. Ooh, auxiliary thrusters. Which are really good. Okay. Ah, no! Since when are the thrusters bad? Okay. I'm just gonna stick with the auxiliary thrusters. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna auxiliary. Get that to max. I'll get that to that. And here we go. So, just use the down arrow and then launch. No, why is this so hard to control? What? I don't remember ever this game being so hard to control. What the heck? What? Okay. Well, this is just a little preview of the game. Here's something I like to do, which you might have already seen. Sandbox. Look at this. So effing stupid. So stupid. If I go space shuttle, I can upgrade that, but I can do a matrix. Money. So now if I make that 0, look, make this 9999. Gravity 0. Yep. 0.1. Weight 0.1. Top speed. I don't really like to mess with this, but maybe I will here soon. Okay. And how much money I have? It's a pooping penguin. Now what I'm using to fly is not the best thing you can use to fly. But now I'm gonna try to look down and go a million miles an hour. Yes. Perfection. Look how fast I'm going. If you look at the bottom left, I'm going so fast. I'm not even anywhere near Earth. Right now I'm on Cool Math Games. I mean, I was gonna make a learn to fly video, but I guess I'll just try some other things. I don't really know what content to make right now. Right now I'm just kind of messing around, see if there's anything good. Stupid ads. What's this? Gravity X, I think it was called? Yeah. Let's try this. Wait. Oh. Wait, what? I just pressed space to see if I could jump. And what? This game. What? I swear this thing's gonna start getting challenging here soon. I don't want to fall to the ground. Wait, what happens if I do fall? Oh, I just go right through. I bet I did that last round and just didn't even notice it. I went absolutely like that. So, boom. I'm guessing these things will kill you. Because they're literal saws, so that's why I avoided them last round. I've never played this game before, so yeah, I'm gonna run into things. Okay, yep, you died. You know advanced levels, okay. Okay. Wait. You could put that to a beat. If I did that to like a beat, maybe that would be pretty cool. And I almost just died there. What? Oh my effing. Okay, should not say that. But oh my god. Broski. What is this? What? Dog. Dog! Wait, how fast can I get myself like this? Oh my god. That was quick. Hopefully you don't have a limited amount of lives on each level. I'm very hoping of that. Get him. Yes. Oh my god, this game is so weird. What else is there? Ooh, I just thought of a good game I could play. Here, I'll be back in a sec. This game. Moo. Pretty decent game. I've already got myself named and customized, kind of. I meant to change myself to blue. I know there's an auto click in this. I'm not sure what button it is. Wait, my guy isn't looking. I've played this game before. Give me a second. Okay, so I'm back. My character's also finally looking around, and I'm finally blue. I guess we'll just play some of this. This is kind of in like a weird video. I don't know. But if you don't know what this game is, it's kind of like a little survival game, I guess. And I know there's only 3 people on the server. That's because I hate dying on this game. But this game can be pretty fun, especially when you get other friends. Like, getting other friends on here is super fun. Ooh, cool. So, yeah, this game's also pretty fun. I guess this game is just kind of like mess around. Ooh, you know what? I guess before we leave, I guess I'll play a little bit of Splitgate. See you guys in a second. Oh yeah, you guys can play. I don't feel like playing this one right now. Hey guys, so I'm back. I finally logged in. Sorry about the lag. Sorry if this whole video turns out laggy.
Hey, and also, we got the Psycho.
Oh yeah, we got Psycho and Cookie right now. They were in the first part of the video.
And yo, can you I'm totally Psycho and I'm retarded. Yo, that's not me. That's Cookie. I'm Psycho and I'm so dumb. Yo, my voice is a lot deeper than that.
Yeah, it is. Honestly, it is. Okay. Oh my god, I just fell down a hole.
First of all, Ethan, get off the bed. This is my bed. I'm gonna sleep on your ass.
Are we allowed to say ass on this?
Yeah. Bro, okay. Get off the bed. Nate, can you please get off the bed? I'd like you to sit on my desk area.
Nah, bro.
This is my bed.
Ow! Back off!
I'll freaking smash your bed.
Ow! God!
No, let me in the middle. Whoa, what middle? You think you got 90% of the bed?
Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause the video real quick. I will be right. Okay, I'm back. I had to relocate.
Since we're being too annoying.
I mean, actually, you kind of.
Yo, guys,
Psycho, you forced me to relocate.
Yo, guys, it's 11:21, so we're probably gonna.
Yeah, like we've been storing up energy all day.
Yeah, yo, we've been eating like our body's playing like 90% candy corn. Check.
Oh, bro, get wrecked. Get freaking wrecked. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Bullcrap.
Oh, that's your dad? No, that's his sister. No, I see. That's your dad. Okay, then.
Right now, I don't even care about capture the flag. I just like killing people. It sounds brutal. That's me.
No, bro.
Oh my god. I thought those were my teammates. I'm so stupid. What are you guys back there doing?
We're just doing. I'm waiting for a skyblock to load. And I'm gonna be totally retarded and start listening to 104 rap.
Again, I don't even care about the flag.
Are totally retarded. Guys, remember, VM's gonna be right next door.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna try to end this video on a kill. If I don't, rip.
I didn't even know what to say right now. I'm gonna start saying
yes, okay. If I kill this guy, I'm gonna end this video. Right here. No, okay, well, I'm gonna end on me dying. Well, today's been a good video, I guess. But, Pancake Pup is out.